Hi students, good morning. In last class we saw what is a collective noun. In today's class we are going to see what is an abstract noun. An abstract noun, ABSTOACT, abstract noun. What is an abstract noun? An abstract noun is a noun. It is a noun. Refers to a thing that we can only feel or we can speak about it. You cannot see, you can only experience, you cannot touch. Did you understand anything? Okay, let I explain it a little more clearly. Here, what are the examples I have given? We can only feel. Here, happiness is a feeling. Happiness is a feeling, right? So, happiness is an abstract noun because it refers to a feeling. So, abstract noun is a noun, refers to a thing that we can only feel. Happiness is a feeling. So, it is an abstract noun. Happiness is an abstract noun. Or we can speak about it. You can speak how much you are happy. I'm very much happy. So, you can speak about happiness. You cannot see how much you are happy, but you can tell I'm very happy. I am very. You can speak about it. I'm very happy. So you can speak about it. You cannot see. You can only experience. You can experience only. You can experience happiness. You can experience I'm very happy. You can feel it. So experience, you cannot touch. Can you see? Can you touch happiness? No, you can't touch happiness. So an abstract noun is a noun, refers to a thing that we can only feel or we can speak about it. You can't see, you can only experience, you can't touch. What is an abstract noun? An abstract noun is a noun, refers to a thing that we can only feel or we can speak about it. You cannot see, you can only experience, you cannot touch. Okay, let us see some example. Idea. I have an idea. Here, idea is a thought. You can only speak about what idea you are having. So, idea is an abstract noun. Happiness. Happiness is an abstract noun because it speaks about your feelings. So, it refers to the feeling. So, happiness is an abstract noun. So, abstract noun refers to qualities, actions, state of being. Let I explain one by one. Here, kindness. What are the qualities you would have? You may be very kind, you may be very arrogant. These are the qualities. You may be very honesty. You may be very honest. These are the qualities. Here, I am very kind. I am very kind. This kind refers to a quality. Refers to how much I am. Well, it speaks about my quality. Okay, so kind is an abstract noun. I am very kind. Kind is an abstract noun. It refers to the quality. Action, laughter, action. I am laughing. I am laughing. Laugh is an action. You can only experience it. You can only experience it. You cannot touch laugh. So laughter is an action. Abstract noun, laughter. Beauty. Beauty, the state of being. I am very beauty. You are very beauty. Beauty is an abstract noun because you cannot feel it. You can only feel it. Okay. You can only speak about beautiness. Okay. You cannot touch beauty. So the state of being. Kindness, laughter, beauty. Qualities. It refers to qualities, actions, state of being. For quality, I gave the example kindness. For action, laughter. State of being means beautiness. Okay. Abstract nouns are words that name ideas, feelings, experiences, qualities, and concepts. Abstract nouns are words that name ideas, feelings, experiences, qualities, and concepts. Let us see some examples for abstract noun. Okay, here are some examples of abstract noun. Happiness, anger, sadness, jealous. These are feelings. You can only experience it, you can only feel it, you can only speak about it. These are qualities. These are qualities. Okay. So these were abstract noun. Students, here they have given many examples. Name few examples for abstract noun. Name few. Yeah, honesty, wisdom, beauty, hope, luck, mercy, dream, pride. These are abstract noun. Okay, students, I hope you understood what is an abstract noun. Now let us do some examples. He takes pride in his job. What is the abstract noun? Here pride is the abstract noun because it speaks about his quality. Pride is a quality. Abstract noun speaks about quality, right? Abstract noun are words that name ideas, feelings, experience, quality. Here pride is a quality. Pride is a quality. So it is an abstract noun. Write pride here. The next stanza, the dove is a symbol of peace. Peace is also a quality. Peace is also a quality. So it is an abstract noun. My grandmother is full of wisdom. It is a quality, okay? Being an intelligent is a quality. So it is an abstract noun. Inia is very tall for her age. What is the abstract noun here? Here age is the abstract noun because you can experience age, right? You cannot, it is, age is not a quality. It is a you can only experience age. So it is an abstract noun. Age is an abstract noun. Prem felt anger. Anger is a quality. It is a feeling. Okay, so anger is the abstract noun. He takes pride in his job. Pride is the abstract noun. The dove is a symbol of peace. Peace is the abstract noun. My grandmother is full of wisdom. Wisdom is the abstract noun. Inu is very tall for her age. Age is the abstract noun. Prem felt anger. Anger is the abstract noun. Students, let us do another activity. The next activity, color the abstract noun. Here they have given many words. You have to collect the abstract noun here. Okay. Tiger is a noun. It is not an abstract noun. Students, you know what is an abstract noun, right? Do this activity by your own. I will check whether it's correct or wrong. Okay. This is your today's homework. You will choose and color what are the abstract nouns. After you send to me, I will correct and give the answer. Okay. Thank you, kids. Thank you, students.